In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find top-selling products on Temu. If you're looking to discover the best products that are currently trending on the platform, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate Temu's website to uncover these popular items. First, let's head over to the Temu website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL. Once you're there, we'll want to ensure you can access all the features necessary to find those top-selling products. And remember, being on the official site is crucial for a trustworthy experience. Next, you'll notice a Sign In Register option at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not already a member, you might want to take a moment to register for an account. It's similar to most online platforms where you have options to sign up using your email or perhaps a social media profile. For those of you who already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, it's time to find those top sellers. You should see an option labeled Best-Selling Items towards the top left corner of the page. This is your gateway to discovering the products that are flying off the shelves. Give it a click and you'll be presented with a list of best-selling items at that current moment. When you click on best-selling items, you'll be directed to a comprehensive display of some of the most popular and trusted shops on Temu. This section is particularly useful because it highlights the products consumers are currently raving about based on sales and customer reviews. It's a reliable way to spot what's in vogue and what people are consistently purchasing. Using this feature can be beneficial in various ways, whether you're a shopper looking for the best deals or a seller wanting to know the market trends. Remember, these popular items often have a high number of positive reviews, ensuring you're viewing high-quality choices. That wraps up our quick guide on how to find top-selling products on Temu. It's a straightforward process that gives you direct access to what's trending among shoppers now. Keep this method in your back pocket whenever you visit the site to stay ahead of the latest trends. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more handy guides like this one.